be here and serving you all. It's been 9 years I'm working with this coffee industry, and each day it gives me an ocean of opportunity to connect new customers, serve them the best coffee and have an interaction on the coffee. So today I'm going to serve you one of the best coffee that you have been tasting today, and I promise that you have decided to spend your 15 minutes wouldn't go waste. I know you already had your lunch and might be feeling a little tired, so I am trying to serve you something which is very light that you can easily consume, and that is for my regular and day-to-day consumers. So please sit back, relax, enjoy a sip of water. Meanwhile, I'll start preparing my sea beverage. So for my sea beverage, I'll be using a AeroPress. I'll be using an inverted method of AeroPress. And with that, I'll be using 18 grams of coffee in a grind size of 6 number. So I have kept a sample of grind size in front of you. If you want, you can just check out the grind size. It's on that cup. So I'll be using 18 grams of coffee along with a total of 230 ml of water. But here there's something interesting. I'll be not putting 230 ml all together, but I'll be putting around 50 ml of water first for blooming, and I'll ensure that all the coffee get a correct contact time with the water. Now I'll be stirring it thrice. I'll be putting more 175 ml of water in total. And then I'll be quickly give it stir. Allow a brewing time of 1 minute. As the 1 minute is already being started, are you ready to get some confusion and some information about this coffee? So imagine that this is your first day, you don't know the coffee, what it is. So let me introduce what blend I am using. So I am using a blend of 100% Arabica. Okay, but it is not just a normal Arabica. I get this blend from 2 different coffee states. One, I've got 75% of my coffee from Ratnagiri state, from the elevation height of 4,450 meters above the sea level. Another, this coffee is being fermented using anaerobic process for 48 hours, and then it is dried for 21 days under the shade of canopy. Now, I'll be plunging out my coffee, and you get ready to know about more 25% of my coffee. So, rest of all 25% of my coffee comes from a very special place, or I can say a hidden gem, a hidden fall. This coffee is in the range of Shivroy region in Tamil Nadu. So in 9 years, I barely listen a coffee from Tamil Nadu or other state. I usually have coffee from Chikmagaluru. So it was also for me, it was new to have this kind of coffee, and it tastes amazing. So this coffee is being processed using natural process, and it is again slow dried for 18 to 20 days, and it is partially exposed to sunlight, and then it is being dried under the shade of rinse bed. Now judges, I have got my extraction, and I can expect this somewhat around 150 to 155 ml. 150 as I told you. So now I will be bypassing some water, because my coffee is being roasted in medium roast profile for 9 minutes. So I feel when I water around the temperature somewhat around 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. It brings out more complexity in my coffee. So I'll be adding around 50 grams of water. Perfect. And now giving it a quick stir so the temperature comes down. So remember the temperature what I am going to serve you. It is somewhat around 70 degree to 65 degrees Celsius. The aroma, what you can expect out of this coffee is going to be tropical fruit, because this coffee is natural, anaerobic process, both combination. And when I serve you the coffee, I request you to drink it as per your convenience. So you want to stir, you want to swirl, or you can directly consume it. I have made this coffee very palatable as per my customer request. So the aroma, what you can expect out of this coffee of tropical fruit, that is sweet and citrusy. That's for you, ma'am. Please enjoy. That's for you, ma'am. Please enjoy. I have a small request before you start drinking my coffee. So I want you to drink in 3 sips. So first sip, what you can expect is, of course, the acidity thing. So high to medium acidity, medium sweetness, low to medium bitterness, low to medium bitterness. The flavors on the second sip, what you can expect is, first you're going to experience lime, then you're going to experience avla or gooseberries, you're going to experience caramel, and then at the end you're going to experience some bitterness of raw honey. Now judges, on the very last sip, what you can experience is the finish. You're going to experience a lingering finish of orange zest, a smooth and silky texture, and you're going to experience a sweet aftertaste. Now take a sip of your water, clean your palate, and enjoy the coffee. I'll leave you with this coffee and I'll start preparing for the next beverage. Can you please help me with the time? So now you're enjoying the beverage. I'll start preparing for the next beverage that I'm going to serve you today. And most of people know me, but most of people don't know me in detail. So I'm a Bengali. Today my beverage, I named my beverage is Coffee Sandesh. There's a special reason behind it, because in this season of time, in my native, we get this dessert, you can call, with mango and chena. Usually we call it chena. So what I did it, I have used the same thing, but I have did it little in a coffee manner. So I am first making a pour over or origami using 20 grams of coffee with 200 ml of water. That is in the ratio of 1:10. Now with the 50 ml, I'll be blooming my coffee and I'll ensure that no gaps is being created. So I'll give us a quick stir. Now again, I'll be start pouring my water up to 200 ml, and the extract what I'm expecting is 160 ml. So this is a wonderful roasted coffee, so I don't have to worry about my water flow, and also this is an origami, so this allows me to give a very easy cup. So judges, of course you should enjoy this experience, so please enjoy. Meanwhile, explaining the signature beverage. So let it drip the coffee nicely. It's for you. I hope you will check the coffee quality. Okay, so now, as I told you, I'm making a sandesh. So first and the most important ingredient, that is mango. I'll be using in this around 20 grams of mango pulp. It is available for your tasting if you need it. Then I'll be using a brown sugar syrup, 1:1 ratio of brown sugar and hot water, around 5 ml. And then I'll be using a clarified milk infused with cascara tea. I've already pre-made it. Again, the samples are available. So this was the cascara tea. The spoons are given. Please taste if you need it. This is the infused milk. And this is some spices that are homemade, made out of 5 ingredients. Please enjoy. I'll be putting some ice for the temperature, not much. Please help me with the time. Thank you. So I'll be using around 50 grams of ice. My coffee is brewed properly. Now, so it's a clarified milk. I'll be pouring into the canister. Okay, so the fun part, I'll be loading with a nitro because I want to give that creamy and a smooth mouthfeel. And that, as you are already very tired, so I want to give that little beer kind of a version to my beverage so that you will also feel very comfortable to drink it. These are 3 beautiful shakes. And now, oh my god, you should see this. This is I just represented Starbucks India to Bali, so I've got this. So I'll be getting all my extraction out. So tiny nitro bubbles, and I've covered this so that it won't flash on you. So what flavors you are going to experience in this? Thank you. So first, when you take the sip of this beverage, you're going to experience the tiny nitro bubbles. Then you're going to experience a flavor of jaggery, sweet lime, because I have put brown sugar. So the lime flavor of the beverage is get converted into sweet lime. Then you're going to experience a finish of coconut. The acidity on the beverage you can experience medium. The body will be low to medium. The sweetness will be medium, and it will be having a creamy mouthfeel at the end. As I serve you the beverage, I request you to please enjoy with an open heart. Swirl it for 2 to 3 minutes. Sorry, for 2 to 3 times, don't go for 2 to 3 minutes. And then you are welcome to enjoy your beverage. So this is for you, ma'am. Please enjoy. Swirl it 2 to 3 times. It's for you. I'm sorry. That's for you. And that's for you. Can you please help me with the time? 20 seconds. Oh, great. So as always, I'm feeling really great to have you all here. And I hope to see you in Bangalore. That's my time. Thank you.